Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I was going through the fridge and I had some leftover veggies, some peas, green onions, celery, bell peppers, carrots. And I thought, what can I do with these? And then I thought of rice. So I put together a veggie rice. It came out incredible. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. Okay, I'm going to kick things off here by adding some oil to a preheated pan. I'm going to add a fairly generous amount here. So we're going to put in our veggies, and like I said before, I've got some red bell peppers, kind of finely chopped, some green bell peppers, peas, some green onions, carrots, celery, and about 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm just going to add these to the pan. There's really no graceful way of doing this, but just putting them in. Okay, I'm going to season this up with one of my all-time favorite spices, some ground black pepper. And we're just going to stir and fry these till the veggies are fork tender kind of. Guys, the smell's incredible. The fragrance of that garlic, yum. So now our veggies are tender crisp. I'm just going to move them to one side of the pan. Just get over there, guys. Add a bit more oil in. What I've got here are a couple of eggs, and I'm just going to kind of whip these up. Okay, add them to the pan and scramble them up. By the way, how do the eggs leave the highway? By the exit. I know, corny, but it's kind of cute. Now they're scrambled up, I'm just going to fold these into the veggies. Doesn't this look colorful and absolutely delightful? I'm going to add in, I'd say about 4 cups of cooked rice. This is long grain rice that I cooked the night before and left it in the fridge. I'm just going to kind of fluff this up. And you want to make sure your hands are a little bit wet or they stick. And what you want to do here is just kind of toss this for a few minutes until the rice is heated through. I love the color, and you can serve this up with anything. I mean, chicken, beef, whatever you like. Just absolutely incredible. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to season this up with a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce and about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Just to give it that charming flavor. I'm going to grab up my spoons and toss once again until everything is nicely combined. Yum, yum. Just look at this. And there you have it, guys. Our colorful, super delicious, yummy, well, the adjectives just keep going on and get better. Veggie egg fried rice. You're going to love this. Okay, let's serve this up, and I can hardly wait to dig in. And look at this. I know beyond the shadow of a doubt you're going to love this. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Guys, so incredible. The rice is nicely done. The veggies are crisp tender. The egg, the garlic, just incredible. This would go with any protein. You're going to love this. For the full scoop on this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.